Hi everyone, welcome to this walkthrough of the BigBasket Sales Dashboard, built entirely using Microsoft Excel with pivot tables, slicers, and custom formulas. Let's explore how this dashboard helps in making smarter business decisions for retail performance. At the top, we start with key metrics. Total sales, 1.20 million. Average sale value, 141. Total items, 8,523. Average rating, 4.0. These indicators provide a quick health check of overall sales performance. Here on the left, we have a dynamic filter panel to slice data by outlet size, location, and item type. This allows for quick segmentation and customized analysis. This donut chart shows the fat content share. 65% of sales come from regular fat products, while 35% are from low-fat items, important for dietary trends. Below that, you can see the fat type preference by outlet tier. Tier 3, for example, sells more regular fat items than others. On the right, this horizontal bar chart ranks products by sales. Fruits and vegetables, snack foods, and household items are top contributors. Looking at the trend over the years, sales grew steadily, peaking in 2018 with 204.5K. This helps understand outlet performance over time. The outlet size chart shows medium outlets are the strongest contributors at 42% of total sales. Tier 3 locations outperform others, generating 472.1K. Here, we compare outlet types by total sales, average sale value, and number of transactions. Supermarket type 1 leads with the highest sales. In summary, this Excel-powered dashboard offers deep insights into product trends, outlet performance, and sales distribution without using Power BI or any external tools. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please drop a like and subscribe for more Excel-based dashboards and data projects.